Okay, today is Mother's Day, May 14th, 2023. I'm at BeBo's Birdnest, also known as the house across the street. Just an update on what we're doing over here. Yesterday, I spent a good part of the day with this little weed eater and fuel working on a trail that's we're going to put in the back part of this property. As you can see, the yard guys have been doing a great job and the yard looks amazing. But I guess late last year we put a trail back through the brush in the back, and since then it just completely regrew. And I didn't have a lawnmower yesterday available to me. All I had was a weed eater, which was not a sufficient tool, but I did it anyway. And this video is just to show Mom that the trail sort of still exists, crudely. And it's also to document the awesome yard. There's the palo baracho tree with the spikes. Any video's gotta feature that. All the different palm trees, and the corn is kicking butt. Had lots of rain, which is hopefully filling Falcon Reservoir, so farmers can farm. And this is the trail in the back, kind of starts at this gate. And again, I could have spent 2 or 3 more days weed eating and it still would be a crude trail at best. I need to get the brush hog back out here. But Mom just thought you might want to see. And I don't know, maybe the guys can round up it or something. Oh, and lots of chachalaca noise back here lately. Maybe we'll get some on video. I did get growled at by a javelina yesterday. There's not a lot of javelina tracks on the perimeter of the property, but there's definitely some. I'd say just a handful. Oh, that weed eater. I had grass flying everywhere. You can't even really tell there's a trail here, just a mess. Kind of want to see how long it takes me to get through this. I'm walking at a faster pace than I normally would if I was out here just looking for birds. There's an exit right there, but we're gonna keep going. There's some old sheds here, evidence of people staying there. Wayward travelers, as they say. And Mom, someday we're gonna make this trail a dedicated trail that can at least, handle a cart to get through here. But right now, oh my gosh, just look at this grass. Crazy. Hopefully I don't lose my trail. I did struggle with it yesterday. But I'm thinking we need some sitting areas, bird stations, of course, water stations, maybe a rainwater collection. Just all the various things you see at nature centers with people who have money to throw at such things. This, I imagine, will be just kind of a slow, keep working on it. We're on the edge of the property here. As you can kind of see, there's corn over there. I better hurry. This video is going to be too long and too boring. Oh, little hidey holes for the javelina. Maybe we'll get charged or something. I don't even know where. I think this goes here. So much grass. But it's nice that we've had rain to make the corn look good. And oh shoot, am I gonna get in a dead end? I am. Yep, I lost my own trail. I did weed eat here, but I think there's several places where I just weed eated my way into, oh no, this is the path through. Yeah, I need to get out here and cut a better hole through this section with loppers and saw, which I brought. Only problem is, just don't have time. I wish I wasn't having to go back to Austin today. But it's nice that we got a pretty day. We thought it was gonna rain today too. And right now, it looks pretty amazing. Goodness. Ain't easy. I think I almost tripped on a log there. But hopefully you can see the potential in this trail. As I do. I like this turn here with a big mesquite tree. Bring some of this wood out of here. It looks like I was weed eating a little better right here. Nice left turn. Well, that's right. This is left. And we're kind of getting close to the backside. What am I, 8 minutes already? So it's a decent little trail. That little tree we left right there. What is that, an aqua? Can't remember. Sorry, Mr. Lehman. All right. Home stretch through the jungle. Don't hear chachalacas. Probably because I'm talking. I'm starting to see the end. Maybe, if it's not too muddy, I can walk over and show you the little javelina highway where the javelina are coming out of the property and going into the corn. Which I gotta imagine a javelina living next to a cornfield is the javelina definition of heaven. Some irrigation tarps. And here we go. Beautiful South Texas day. Maybe we can find some tracks. Yeah, there's some javelina tracks right there. You can kind of see them going. All right, that's 10 minutes of update. Love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day 2023. You're the best. Amen.